Here's the Toyota Highlander. Let's get started. We have to first open up the hatch. Now the process is the exact same for the left and right side. I'm just going to show you on this passenger side, the right side. We have to get this cover off. There's a small slot for that over there, and that's where you put a flathead screwdriver. Put the screwdriver in there and sort of shove it in there, and then pry this cover off, and off it comes. Now just grab the cover and get it out the rest of the way. Now you get a 10mm socket ratchet combination with an extension and a 10mm wrench, both of them. We need both the tools, because there are 4 nuts that we have to take off. 2 of them over there, third one over here, and the 4th one we have to get the cover off. Now let's go ahead and get these 2 nuts off. It's going to take you a couple minutes to get them off because it's a bit of a tight space, so be patient, but it'll come right out. There you go. Get the 2 nuts out and keep them somewhere safe. Now inside there we're going to use the 10mm socket ratchet combination. Get this one off. Now grab this cover and then just pull it off. There's multiple clips running all around the perimeter, but they will just pop right out. Just grab it and go around the perimeter and start pulling this cover off, and the clips will start popping off. Again, don't go aggressive because you don't want to break the clips. Just be persistent but be gentle at the same time. And off it comes. There you go. Set it aside. As you can see, there's like a whole different bunch of clips running across the entire perimeter. That is where the 4th nut is. Again, get the 10mm socket ratchet combination with the extension in there, and then get that nut out. We need to slide this electrical connector off from over there. Like, you gotta slide it downwards to get it out. See, that's how it works. Now press down over there, and then let's get the electrical connector off of there, and off it comes. There you go. Now just grab the light and then pull it out. You may have to get the ratchet and sort of tap on that one stud over there to pop the light out. Now that's the electrical connector. Press down and get it out. That's the bulb. Twist it left and off it comes. Bulb number is LR5B21312. Check the link in the description to get the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then put it back into the light. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it sets in. Twist it right, put this connector back on, click it in place. Now there are 4 studs. Again, 4 nuts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They go in those 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that big gap is for the wire to go in there. So let's just go ahead, get the wire in there through that slot there first, and then we'll get this light back in position. We need to make sure all those 4 studs are lining up in the holes. Get the electrical connector back on and click it in place, and just get the 4 nuts back in. Hand tighten it. This one you have to put it on the socket ratchet combination and then get it in place and tighten it. This is the part where you have to be patient, because getting those nuts in there, hand tightening them down, and then tightening them with a wrench, it's going to take you 2-3 minutes. So be patient, but you'll be able to do it. It's not hard, it just needs patience. And this cover, all these clips. Now that little clip, it goes over there, not the one over here. It goes over there, and these 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes on the top side over there. So that's the side we'll get on first in place. Just get it in place like that. See, now it's going to be supporting some of the weight of that cover there. And now on this gap, there's red pins which go on the holes there. In the holes over there, 1, just get it in place, give it a little push. Same thing on the other side, just get this red pin in that hole there. There's a couple of those pins on each side. Just tap it, then just go around the entire cover. You start tapping it to engage all the clips. Tap, 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 tap. That's it. Once you get those first few clips in place, the rest of it is just tapping it to engage the clips, and now the cover is secure. And that's pretty much it. Let's get this cover back in place. Tap. Same thing on the other side, just get it in place. And that's about it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.